such a nice day today. Hello. Hello, Mr. Sun. Good morning everyone, I'm Ellie and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm very excited because I'm here in Fuji Beach. I'm just gonna tour you around first. Let's go! Good morning! This is for the vlog! Look at the waves! There's my friend, just walking, showing her white skin. Hi guys, and I'm back home already. I really had a fun day today. The sun is just shining so bright like a diamond. The beach is really nice, and I hope guys you enjoy my video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Bye!